To manage all your pricing related configuration, go to Directorist Pricing Plans. This is your central hub for creating, editing, and managing all pricing packages. From here, you can create unlimited plans, customize features, control pricing behavior, and define how users interact with each package. If you imported demo data, you may already see some pre-built plans available. Otherwise, you can easily create everything from scratch based on your business needs. Now let's create our fast pricing plan. Navigate to WP dashboard, then directories, then pricing plans, then click add new. A new pop-up window will open for create new plan. Here, enter your plan title, for example, Platinum Plan. Next, select the directory type. For this example, I'll choose Restaurant from the drop-down. Then select the plan type, either package or paper listing. For this example, I will select package. Then click Create Plan.